Hello, today we are going to demonstrate our single chamber 400 OGV. Let's get started. We have spare parts. We have a small table. We use this to put our product. We go to control panel. First, we're gonna choose vacuum time. Usually we choose 20 seconds or 22 seconds. It depends on our product. We are going to choose 22. And sealing time, we are going to choose 2 seconds. And you can also use 3 seconds. It depends on your product as well. We are going to choose 2 seconds. And cooling time, also the same, 2 seconds. And next we have temperature, sealing temperature. And you can use low, middle. We usually use here middle. You can also choose low. It depends on your product. So today we are going to vacuum 2 sausages. Here we have sealing stripe. We use this during vacuum time. Our product can't be moved. And we have transparent glass cover. You can see the process during vacuum time. So let's start. No air inside. Perfect.